Hey everyone, it's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. In today's video, we will be making this ultra creamy stovetop macaroni and cheese. Let's get started. So guys, to begin, this dish is so incredibly easy. I don't even want to call it a recipe. So let's start with boiling our water. Lightly season it with salt and pepper and add about 1 teaspoon of olive oil. That way it keeps the noodles from sticking together. Once your water has boiled, go ahead and add in the noodles and cook your noodles until al dente. Next, go ahead and drain the noodles and place the noodles back in the same pan. Now this dish is pretty much a one-pan recipe. Once you put the noodles back in the same pan, go ahead and add in the milk. Once you add in the milk, go ahead and add in the creamer. Be sure to reserve half a cup of the creamer to mix it with the flour and pour it in. Next, add in the butter, add in the cheese, and season with salt and pepper. Stir well to combine and add in more cheese and continue stirring. And guys, the full recipe is on the website is savorythoughts.com. And we also included step-by-step photos. And that's it. Your ultimate creamy mac and cheese is ready for you for dinner. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as we post new videos often. Cheers.